Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related and everything else along the way as usual. You guys, today I'm going to be discussing and showing and reviewing the Guerlain Paris 𝗦𝗢𝗓𝗓 Exceptional Complete Care, the Eye and Lip Contour Cream. In this box right here. You guys, if I butchered the name, I'm so sorry in advance. Please bear with me. If we are noticing a little bit of discoloration in my face, it would be because I just applied fake tanner. So please excuse that. But let's get right into the important part of the video, the actual product. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Please comment below and please share this video with your friends. Let's get started, you guys. So you guys know, at this point, you guys know I am a sucker for luxury skincare. Girl, that's an understatement. It's just a full-on passion and lifestyle at this point. That is the whole vibe of my channel, is real skincare reviews and real expensive skincare reviews. So of course I am basically out of my Sisley Eye and Lip Contour Cream. You guys know I absolutely loved that cream, but I needed to move forward and try a different cream, and hence I got the Guerlain. So when I got it, first of all, I want to say this product is $200 for 0.5 ounces. 0.5 ounces is standard in an eye cream. $200, girl? Well, we're on La Mer level. We're on La Prairie level. We're on Guerlain level. We're on Luxe level. So that's when you're going to start seeing those really, really high price points. So the way this product is presented to you, it is presented to you in this really, really sleek looking, luxe looking box. It's this shiny, luscious, gold looking font. And of course you have the emblem of Guerlain right here. The packaging is in navy blue, which I think goes perfectly with the gold. And it's like sturdy cardboard. It's not flimsy by any means. And when I mean flimsy, I'm talking like this type of cardboard, like just, you know what I'm saying? Like real thin, comes up, doesn't feel right. This feels luxe, as it should, for $200 for 0.5 ounces of cream. It has a shelf life of 6 months. Let me just read a little bit about this product to you so we can get acquainted with her. And of course, I'm going to apply it on the video today and I'm going to show you. So the details of this product: as it states, normal, oily, combination, dry, or sensitive skin types can use this. You guys, I always say don't trust that totally. Follow what you think your skin is going to do. What it is: an anti-aging eye and lip cream for day and night. And you guys, I just want to let you guys know, when I do buy eye creams, I love to buy eye and lip so I can put it, you know, I could use it on more places other than my eye. Solutions for dark spots and dryness. Both during the day and the night, the skin has specific needs. Obviously, girl, you know what? We've discussed this. I'm not even going to read this. In the morning and the night, our skin does have different needs. At night, your skin is renewing for the next day. There's a lot of cell turnover. In the morning, it needs protection from pollutants and other outside bacteria or anything like that, aggressors coming onto your skin. So they do recommend that you use this once in the morning, and then for your dark spots, reducing, and of course to protect against free radicals. And they suggest that you put a heavy layer, almost like a mask form, at night to sleep. Now, putting on in a heavy mask form, girl, is just a little much for me, because for 0.5 ounces at $200, I would like to see the same consistency and the same results, but it is what it is. Also, I do want to let you know that this product is sold at Sephora, so if you are looking to buy it, wait for the VIB Rouge sale. Get 15% off. All right, so the Eye and Lip Contour Cream contains chrono response complex to adapt to the skin's natural rhythms. During the day, it hydrates, smooths, and enhances the eye area. At night, the cream detoxifies, soothes, and targets small white spots around the eyes. I thought this was interesting, and this is why I want to read it to you. So, how to use: using fingertips, pat gently and very delicately, sweep outwards across the eye area and back again towards the center. So it is recommending sweeping motions. I know a lot of people like to pat. The micro drainage, girl, targets under-eye puffiness and brings a sense of well-being. What are they talking about? Like draining your lymph nodes? Like that's like a real thing. So there's a lot of well-placed words in the description. It's marketed very well, I would say, and I don't have any complaints about that. So just the draining of the drainage around our eyes, girl, like, okay. But I mean, they are right. You should be actively moving your finger around your eye. I know a lot of skincare people do not like to maneuver their fingers like this under their eyes. People prefer to pat. But the great thing about, you know what? She wants to come out, so we're gonna bring her out. Okay, all right, Guerlain. Steady there, girl. All right, so the box popped open. You open the box like this, there's further instructions. So I did receive this packet, and I'm going to open the packet. And I have used this for a little bit, you guys, but I thought this was a packet of another product. Here, it's the packet of the item that you dip in to take it out. I do like the separate packaging. I think it's good for cleanliness and keeping this part separate. However, I do want to say this scooper is very thin and there is no logo on it or anything, and it does feel quite flimsy to me. I kind of wish Guerlain would have just done away with the extra packaging and gave us a little more of a sturdy luxe scooper. So when you open it, you see this gorgeous looking gold saucer. And then of course you see the 𝗦𝗦𝗧𝗦𝗧𝗧. If I'm butchering that again, I'm so sorry, but you see that logo right here. Under here is like a blue glass almost. And then at the top is this like gold shiny, like metal type. A++ on the packaging, but let's talk about the actual product. So I just open the saucer like this. And then, of course, you get hit with the Guerlain emblem, which we love that. I personally like that touch. And then the product inside. So here it is right here. You guys, I have been using it and testing it out. So the color of it is like a cream off-white. It has a really nice, delicate, slight floral smell. The smell of this product is, I want to say, classy and not overbearing, and something that I like in an eye product. And it just smells delicate. So let's take it out. I'm going to use this 1 cent scooper. I'm just going to put it right here on my finger. It does look a little heavy. And I'm just gonna, I always do this, I put it in between my ring fingers because your ring fingers are your most delicate fingers when you're working with your under eye. Working with your under eye is always supposed to be very gentle as possible. You never wanna just get your pointer finger and just get under there or tug or like really wipe. Like, I'm not a big fan of makeup wipes. I'm not a big fan of anything where you're like rubbing your eyes like very hard. You really like to be gentle around your eyes. The skin around your eyes is just so delicate and thin, and you want to treat your eye area just very soft. Now that we have this, like, it's definitely like a cream. It looks as thick as the Sisley, but you guys, it's not as thick as the Sisley eye and lip contour. So it suggests that you first pat on to release the product, like so. Then it says to start sweeping in outward motions. You guys, when I apply this, I know I've applied this in other videos, but I know people get very alarmed when they say sweeping, but the way this product just glides across your skin, honestly, you're gonna feel safe to use it. And then I'm gonna bring it right down my smile line, as I always do. I bring it right here, because wrinkles form there, and then I put it right at the top of my lips. And then I just come back up and I just gently pat in the rest. Any excess I will bring right to the point of my forehead, so because when you get mad, you develop those wrinkles there. So I just want to soften that area up as well. This product sinks right into your skin. It is not a thick, sticky product in the slightest. It looks thick when you first put it on your finger, but the way it disperses over your skin, it's just very delicate and just not overly hydrating. It's great, like it definitely does the job. I don't have any I don't have any like dry skin patches from it, but I don't feel so like when I was using the Shiseido eye cream, like you could see a glow of like thick eye cream under my eyes. This product does not do that. It's just very understated and delicate. Now, what do I think of this eye cream? I think, this is what I'm gonna be honest with. I think it's nice. Its presentation is nice. It applies very well and the texture is very nice. However, I have not seen that much of a difference when it comes to my under eyes. I think for the price of this product being $200, and then of course the Sisley Eye and Lip Contour Cream, I think that is maybe, I know it's a little higher than $200 for the Sisley. What I liked about the Sisley Eye and Lip Contour Cream is not only did it give you a beautiful cream, but it also gave you a really beautiful stainless steel roller, and you really got the whole package when it came to the Sisley Eye and Lip Contour Cream. This only gives you that, you know, this cheap thing, which I'm not impressed with at all. Honestly, it feels like it's from the dollar store. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just, as a reference, this feels like a cheap piece of plastic from the dollar store. And that's not me being mean. It's just me being honest. I do like this product. I'm not gonna sit here and say I just don't like the product whatsoever and I think it's a bad product, because I don't. I think it is quite luxurious. I think it's not gonna give you like an immediate response. Like I don't think when you put this on your under eye, you're gonna like notice it right away. I think over time, this will be nice to use and see how your skin develops, but it's not something that's gonna pack this big punch right off the bat. It doesn't give you that instant satisfaction. Do I think it's worth the high price tag of $200? I mean, if Guerlain is honest and saying about all of this excessive research they're doing in the orchid, using orchid plants and all of that, and all of this like advanced technology, you know, of course I would say, yeah, maybe it is worth it. However, for me, it just didn't give me this powerful result, and I'm just not excited to use it. That's just, like, you know, you guys know when I go to put a jar of 𝗦𝗡𝗖𝗓 on, it's an experience. It's a moment for me. And some other products that I really like from other lines. This just doesn't give me that wow factor. It's nice. It's delicate. The package is luxe, but I think that's as far as it goes for me in this product. But I would not go as far as to say, don't buy this cream at all. Like, I still think it's nice and I still think it could be effective. 6-month shelf life. You're not gonna experience any like under eye grease. You're not gonna experience any like goopy under eye cream that's gonna mess with your foundation or your concealer. Like, this sets really nice under your eyes, and I think it's great for people who don't like a thick product. And of course, you get the extra benefit of being able to move your under eye with your fingers just to get additional blood flow going without tugging your skin. So everyone, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video, and that's how I'm gonna end it. If you wanna go buy this product, good for you. Have fun. I do like it. If you haven't done so already, you guys, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Let me know what you think of this product, if you have it, or if you've tried it and you didn't like it, or you absolutely love it. Everybody's skin is completely different from the next. So just because this product wasn't a wow product for me doesn't mean it's not gonna be your like a wow product for you. Everybody take care. Have a great, hydrated, blessed day.